Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Wafa Tech and Tricks. Today's video is extremely important for anyone who wants to start their journey on YouTube. Maybe you want to share knowledge, build a personal brand, or even earn money online. But many beginners ask one simple question, which is, how do I actually create a YouTube channel? So now you don't have to worry because in this video I will show you step by step how to create a YouTube channel in 2026 even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you will have your own channel ready to upload your first video. So without skipping, watch it till the end. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly talk about why starting a YouTube channel in 2026 is such a great idea. YouTube has over 2 billion active users worldwide, and every single day, millions of people are searching for information, entertainment, and tutorials. This means one thing: there is space for new creators like me and you. You can start a channel about tech, education, vlogging, gaming, motivation, or even storytelling. You can choose any topic on which you want to make a YouTube channel. Your knowledge can help thousands of people, and also you can entertain millions of people. The first step is very simple. You need a Google account because YouTube is owned by Google. So, for this, go to youtube.com, click sign in, choose create account, enter your name, email, and password. If you already have a Gmail account, you can skip this step and simply log in. Once you sign in, you are ready to create your channel. Step number 2. Now comes the exciting part: creating your channel. Click your profile icon in the top corner. Number 2. Select create a channel. Number 3. Add your channel name. Your channel name should represent your content. For example, if you're going to make a tech YouTube channel, its name should be like tech tutorials or tech expert. If you're going to make an education topic, you can choose any name regarding education. And if you're going to make any other content, you can choose your channel's name according to the content of your YouTube videos. Choose something simple, memorable, and easy to search. Step number 3. Add channel branding. Now it's time to make your channel look professional. YouTube allows you to customize your channel with branding. You should add number 1 profile picture, which is also channel logo, channel banner, and channel description. These 3 things will make your channel reach out to the people who are interested in your content. The banner is like the cover page of your channel. It tells visitors what your channel is about. Even simple designs made on tools like Canva can look great. And don't forget to write a short channel description explaining what viewers will learn from your videos. Step number 4. Verify your channel. This step is extremely important. You need to verify your channel to unlock more features. Go to YouTube Studio, click Settings, select Channel, and then go on Feature Eligibility. Verify using your phone number. After verification, you can upload longer videos and custom thumbnails and access more creator tools. Moving on towards the next step, which is step number 5, upload your first video. Now comes the moment every new creator waits for: uploading your first video. Click the create button, select upload video, add your video file. Then add video's title, video's description, its thumbnail, and tags. Title will tell the people what your video is about, what type of content is shown in the video. Make sure your title clearly explain what the video is about and use an attractive thumbnail so people want to click your video. Step number 6. Optimize your video for views. Uploading a video is just the beginning. To get views, you must optimize your content. Here are 3 simple steps. Number 1. Use searchable titles. For example, how to create a YouTube channel in 2026. Number 2. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Bright colors, clear text, and a strong image, which makes the viewers click on your video and watch it till the end. Number 3, write a helpful description. Explain what viewers will learn in your video. These small steps can significantly increase your chances of getting views. Before you start uploading regularly, let me share some mistakes beginners should avoid. Number 1 is waiting for perfect equipment. Your smartphone is enough to start. Stop waiting for I will buy a camera in future which will make my content clear and in HD forms. Stop putting your today's work on tomorrow. Start now, grab your phone and create a YouTube channel and start uploading videos. Waiting for perfect equipment will do nothing to you. Number 2 is uploading randomly. Consistency is very important, guys. Keep that in your mind. Consistency will make your content go viral in days. Number 3, quitting too early. Most channels grow slowly in the beginning. And if your channel is not growing in the beginning, it doesn't mean it will not grow in the future. I already said consistency will make your content, your YouTube channel go viral in days, in months, or in years. But stop giving up. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. And now they have million only because of their consistency. Because they never give up. If you truly want to grow on YouTube, follow these 3 important rules. Number 1 is consistency. Upload your videos regularly. Number 2, value. Teach, entertain, or inspire people instead of making useless content. Number 3, patience. Growth takes time. So be patient. If you stay consistent for a few months, you will start seeing real results. If this video helped you understand how to create a YouTube channel, make sure to like the video and share it with someone who wants to start YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to Wafa Tech and Tricks for more videos about technology, AI tools, and online earning. Also, tell me in the comments what type of YouTube channel are you planning to start. We'll meet you in the next video. Stay curious, stay learning, and keep growing. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for further videos. Until then, bye bye.